How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to do a quick walk around video of a 2009 Volkswagen Jetta S 2.5 liter. Only 67,000 miles on this thing. Has like brand new tires. We just serviced it. New battery, fresh oil change. Body overall is actually in pretty good shape. Definitely considering the year. You have a scuff here on the door. A couple of scratches on that door. Tires are really good. I mean, really nice car. Check out the interior here. So it does have the cloth seats inside. Headliner is doing the usual Jetta. Old 08, 09 Volkswagen sag. A little bit of wear here on the door panel as well. When the detailer detailed it, kind of messed that up. But we'll see this here. 67,449 miles. Really nice little car. It's good gas mileage. Something you might be interested in, give us a shout. 228-438-2056. You can call us or text us. Email us, theautoconnectllc@gmail.com. Check out more of our inventory on our website too. And if you have any service needs for Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, or other foreign or domestic luxury vehicles, definitely can help you out. No job too big, too small. Thanks for checking out our video.